animals to their carts. Way to go! It's a monkey! Very good! It's a panda! That's right! It's a duck! Yay! You got all the animals! The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. That's right. A duck eats corn. Yes, panda eats bamboo. That's right. A monkey eats bananas. What a job you did. You fed all the animals. Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Way to go! That's the monkey's house. Correct! That's the duck's house. Very good! That's the panda's house.